So I'm replacing my C5 Corvette seat track where it keeps wobbling. See this piece right here? It's got some play to it. It's not supposed to have play in it. To get it out, everyone shows the easy side where you pop these pins off right here and here. You pull these pins out, then the whole track just pops out. But that's too easy. The harder side is where all the motors plug into. These motors right here. They go into a frame, which is here. Got these little screw pieces on there. So what I did was the two bolts that go into the end of here. Not that one. They go in these right here. Come in from underneath. I just popped them out along with those pins that go here. And just with a rubber mallet and a flathead screwdriver, I was able to pop it up. Along with taking these little bolts out. Then I was able to get the whole track out on the harder side.